iOS 18.1 is finally here, and today video I would like to share you how to open the app directly from your dynamic island. And you can see here when I hold on this one, I can go ahead and open the Facebook directly from here. It is pretty simple and quick. Let's say if I am in setting, and when I hold on dynamic island, I can go ahead and open Messenger or Facebook. So depend on the app that I want. It is very simple. All you have to do, make sure you need to update your iPhone to the latest version. So you need to be at least iOS 18.1. With this new version, Apple introduced a new feature called like activity, where you can like have the you can put the app here and then in dynamic island. This is the app called Lock Launcher. You can go ahead and download for free on the App Store, and I have already downloaded and installed. Now what you're gonna do is to add the app by going to favorite here, and then you should be able to add the app if you like. So now here is the app that I have already added. So all I have to do, just go ahead and add the app that I want. So when I click on add here, I can choose the app to be appear on dynamic island. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and select this one, and then I'm gonna go into TikTok. Now you need to click on discover here, and then you should be able to click on this option, new feature, and then you need to click on this one, hit on test run. It's gonna push you back to your home screen, and for the first time, if it doesn't work, you need to go back again. Click on this one more time, click on test run, and now you can see it is on the dynamic island. We have TikTok, we have Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. So it is a cool feature that I usually use in my iPhone with the live activity, and I can go ahead and launch the app from my lock screen directly. So it is very simple and convenient. So that's it, and I hope you enjoy this video, and then I will see you guys in the next one.